Hey guys, the terms string, rope, and cord are used a lot in macrame and can mean one thing to one person and something different to the next. In this tutorial, I will go over these terms and provide you with examples of the three most common types of cord that are used in macrame. I will first start with the term cord. Cord is an overarching term that I use to refer to either string or rope. String refers to single-strand twisted string which is created by twisting individual strands of fiber together. For this tutorial, I am using cotton string. It comes in different sizes, 3mm, 5mm, and 9mm are seen here. A great feature of cotton string is that it can be brushed out to create tassels, feathers, or whatever else you'd like. Natural cotton string is an off-white cream color, but cotton string can also be purchased in a variety of different colors. Here is a comparison between natural and white string. Rope is created by twisting individual strands of fiber together to make groups. Groups of 2 creates 2-ply rope, and groups of 3 creates 3-ply rope. Both are used frequently in macrame. Groups of cotton can also be braided together to create braided rope. This is 2-ply rope, 3mm in size. Here is the difference between string and rope. Rope can also be brushed out, but the ends end up a bit wavy. Metallic colors can also be added to rope and string. This is 3-ply rope, 5mm in size. This is braided rope, 5mm in size. I would not recommend brushing out braided rope as the ends become frizzy. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, it would really help me out if you could hit the thumbs up below, leave a comment, and/or share it. Tutorial requests are always welcome, so drop a comment below if you're interested in a specific knot or pattern tutorial. I love to see your work, so please feel free to tag me on Instagram or Facebook.